Here are your 6 burping techniques for your newborn babies. First, back pat. Hold the baby upright and sit the baby upright on your lap. Use your left hand to support the baby head between neck and chest. Then back pat the baby gently at least 3 to 5 minutes after breastfeeding. Second, upward stroke. Hold the baby on upward position and rub your hand on the baby back, upward stroke on the baby back gently. Third, straighten back. Straighten the baby back with one hand by the neck firmly to support the baby head and the other hand by the back of the baby to support the baby's body. Hold the baby in this position at least 3 or 4 minutes. Fourth, round the world movement. Hold the baby on upright position. One hand by the neck firmly to support the baby head and the other hand by the back of the baby to support the baby's body. Then slowly rock the baby round the world. Fifth, over shoulder. Put the baby on your right shoulder. Use your left hand to hold the baby by the butt and gently tap